I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a favorite of mine, shrimp croquettes. Creamy on the inside and crunchy on the outside, this is a fabulous appetizer to serve at your next dinner party. So let's get cooking. In a skillet over medium heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. And when it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll add the large shrimp. I normally use between 12 to 14. We'll cook them until they just turn pink, maybe a minute and a half at the most. If they're cooked further, they'll start getting rubbery. And also keep in mind that we'll be frying them in a mixture later. We'll remove from the heat and transfer these little guys onto a cutting board. We'll allow them to cool before cutting them into tiny pieces. Now, in the same skillet, we'll melt the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter and then add finely chopped shallots as well as red peppers. Still on medium heat, we'll saute the veggies for a couple minutes. Oh, and let's not forget to season with ground sea salt. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and continue sauteing everything for 30 seconds. Next, we'll add all-purpose flour and cook for a little over a minute while stirring constantly. I know it's a lot of flour, but this will help to keep the mixture together. You'll see. We'll now pour in some heavy cream, then season with Old Bay seasoning, which you can get my homemade recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, followed by smoked paprika, dried thyme leaves, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns, plus half a teaspoon of lemon zest. So we'll stir the ingredients until well blended and then add our chopped shrimp, and of course, we'll incorporate everything together. When all the ingredients are nicely blended, we'll transfer the mixture into a bowl, allow it to cool for 15 minutes before covering and transferring to the fridge for 2 hours. All right, so a couple hours later, we'll get our breading station ready. In a shallow dish, we'll beat 1 large egg, then add a couple tablespoons of milk and mix it in. In the second one, we'll add panko breadcrumbs that have been finely ground. It makes it easier to coat the croquettes. Using a portion scoop, we'll form the mixture into balls and, working with one at a time, we'll roll the croquettes in the breadcrumbs, shake off any excess, then put them into the egg mixture, making sure they're well coated. We'll let any excess to drip off and then back again in the breadcrumbs, covering the entire surface. We'll shake them and transfer to a plate while doing the others. Next, in a heavy bottom skillet, we'll bring the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. When it gets there, without crowding, we'll place our coated shrimp balls and fry them for about 3 minutes or until golden brown, moving them around. When they're done, we'll transfer them onto a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. We'll set them aside while frying the others. And my friends, these are our shrimp croquettes. These tasty little guys are a great appetizer to make anytime. Your guests will love them. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!